Top 20 Gaming and Simulations Interview Questions. Question 1. What is the primary purpose of game engines? A. To render 3D models and handle game logic. B. To design game art and sound effects. C. To create storylines and characters for games. D. To provide marketing solutions for game companies. The correct answer is A. To render 3D models and handle game logic. Game engines are the core software for creating and running games. Question 2. Which component is essential for realistic physics and simulations? A. Physics engine. B. Graphics processor. C. Audio processor. D. Animation rig. The correct answer is A. Physics engine. Physics engines simulate realistic object interactions like gravity and collisions. Question 3. What type of simulation uses real-time data for analysis? A. Live simulations. B. Static simulations. C. Offline simulations. D. Data-driven simulations. The correct answer is A. Live simulations. Live simulations integrate real-time data to adjust scenarios and outcomes. Question 4. Which rendering technique is used for realistic 3D images in games? A. Ray tracing. B. Rasterization. C. Wireframing. D. Bump mapping. The correct answer is A. Ray tracing. Ray tracing simulates light paths for highly realistic images in games. Question 5. What is a virtual environment in gaming? A. A 3D space where game characters interact. B. A sound system used for gaming audio. C. A type of gaming console. D. A marketing strategy for game developers. The correct answer is A. A 3D space where game characters interact. Virtual environments are interactive spaces where players navigate and interact with objects. Question 6. Which technology enhances user immersion in virtual reality games? A. Motion tracking. B. Offline rendering. C. Cloud gaming. D. Game streaming. The correct answer is A. Motion tracking. Motion tracking detects user movements for a more immersive VR experience. Question 7. Which technique is used to create realistic character animations? A. Motion capture. B. 3D modeling. C. Pixelation. D. Vector graphics. The correct answer is A. Motion capture. Motion capture records human movements for realistic character animations in games. Question 8. What does AI in gaming mainly control? A. Non-player character behaviors. B. Game engine performance. C. Marketing algorithms. D. Graphics rendering processes. The correct answer is A. Non-player character behaviors. AI algorithms govern NPC behavior, making the game world dynamic and reactive. Question 9. What type of game simulation is used for training purposes? A. Serious games. B. Casual games. C. Augmented reality games. D. Action games. The correct answer is A. Serious games. Serious games are designed for training, education, or simulation purposes. Question 10. Which technique in simulations helps replicate real-world scenarios? A. Modeling and simulation. B. Augmented reality. C. User feedback integration. D. Cloud storage. The correct answer is A. Modeling and simulation. Modeling and simulation allow for realistic replication of real-world events and processes. Question 11. What is the role of shaders in games? A. To add visual effects like lighting and shadows. B. To improve audio quality. C. To control AI behaviors. D. To manage game user interface. The correct answer is A. To add visual effects like lighting and shadows. Shaders create visual effects such as lighting, shadows, and textures in real time. Question 12. Which method is widely used for multiplayer game networking? A. Client-server model. B. Peer-to-peer networking. C. Cloud storage. D. Local area network. The correct answer is A. Client-server model. Client-server networking is the standard for managing multiplayer game sessions. Question 13. Which platform is commonly used for mobile game development? A. Unity. B. Xcode. C. OpenGL. D. Vulkan. The correct answer is A. Unity. Unity is a popular platform for developing mobile and cross-platform games. Question 14. What is a common challenge in game performance optimization? A. Balancing frame rate with visual quality. B. Maximizing CPU usage. C. Reducing sound complexity. D. Increasing storage size. The correct answer is A. Balancing frame rate with visual quality. High-quality visuals can impact game performance, requiring balance with frame rates. Question 15. What does a game engine primarily provide for developers? A. Tools for graphics, physics, and sound integration. B. User manual for games. C. Server-side hosting. D. Marketing resources. The correct answer is A. Tools for graphics, physics, and sound integration. Game engines offer essential tools to integrate different game elements seamlessly. Question 16. Which of these is essential for building multiplayer games? A. Real-time networking protocols. B. Advanced AI algorithms. C. Static environments. D. Single-player mode features. The correct answer is A. Real-time networking protocols. Real-time networking is essential for enabling smooth multiplayer experiences. Question 17. What is procedural generation in games? A. Automatic creation of levels or worlds from algorithms. B. Manual creation of every game element. C. Designing game narratives based on player actions. D. Integrating real-world data into the game. The correct answer is A. Automatic creation of levels or worlds from algorithms. Procedural generation uses algorithms to create content like levels or terrain dynamically. Question 18. What does AI pathfinding enable in gaming simulations? A. NPCs navigating realistic environments. B. Creating characters' backstories. C. Generating game worlds. D. Audio design for characters. The correct answer is A. NPCs navigating realistic environments. AI pathfinding algorithms enable characters to move naturally through game worlds. Question 19. What is the goal of simulation-based training games? A. Replicating real-life scenarios for education or training. B. Entertainment and relaxation. C. Increasing user interaction in social games. D. Building game fan communities. The correct answer is A. Replicating real-life scenarios for education or training. Simulation-based training games provide an immersive learning environment for various industries. Question 20. How does cloud gaming reduce hardware limitations? A. By streaming games from remote servers to devices. B. By installing games on local devices. C. By enhancing device storage capabilities. D. By eliminating need for internet connectivity. The correct answer is A. By streaming games from remote servers to devices. Cloud gaming offloads processing to remote servers, reducing device requirements.